In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Notion school template to organize your academic life. A Notion template for school is a pre-built system that brings your academic world into one place. Instead of juggling separate apps for assignments, calendars, class notes, and grades, a template consolidates them into a single, connected workspace. Options range from simple weekly planners and to-do lists to comprehensive all-in-one dashboards that manage courses, projects, and even personal finances. Here's what you typically get. An assignment and to-do manager helps you track homework, projects, and exam prep. You can log a task, add a due date, set its status, and see what's coming up at a glance. As you study, update progress so you always know what needs attention next. A built-in calendar lays everything out chronologically. Deadlines, lectures, and events appear on a monthly or weekly view, making it easy to plan ahead and avoid conflicts. Many templates let you jump between a list and a calendar, so you can prioritize by date or by workload. Course management pages keep each class organized. Store syllabi, links to resources, and professor details, and connect each course to its related assignments and notes. With everything linked, clicking a class reveals every relevant task and reference in seconds. For note-taking, templates provide structured databases for lecture notes, study guides, and readings. Notes are usually tied to the course they belong to, so you can filter by class or topic and build a reliable archive for exams. A grade tracker rounds out the system. Record grades for individual assignments, see category weights if your template includes them, and monitor your overall performance as the term progresses. This visibility helps you adjust study time before grades become a surprise. Beyond features, the real advantage is how templates help you work. By centralizing information, you eliminate scattered files and duplicate lists. Calendars and to-dos improve time management, while pre-built structures save setup time and boost productivity. Most templates are meant to be customized, so add personal icons, covers, and views that match your style and keep you motivated. To get started, visit the Notion Template Marketplace. You'll find free and paid options, including student planners and project managers, right on Notion's website. Pick a layout that fits your workload, personalize it lightly, and start capturing everything in one place. With a clear system in Notion, staying organized becomes simpler and studying feels more focused.